as you can see, she needs repair. So we're gonna go do that right now. Alright, it's time to fix her up. So, how I like to fix chips on a blade is this way. First thing is first is a file. And what you want to do is file down until you're at the bottom of those chips. Okay? And well, another thing is I don't like doing the whole blade. I used to do that. So I would do all of this, keep it all even, but nowadays I don't, because I like to keep more meat on as much as possible on that blade as possible. Okay, so this tip is where the most damage is, and I'm going to go right about here, the middle of the blade, and work my way forward, leaving that rear intact. Okay, and there is a little nick, but they're not as deep as the front was, as you saw. Okay, now I'm very close to getting to this. The biggest one was this one here. I'm getting close. Now I'm just gonna do the tip a little bit. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is find my angle and just do one swipe. Look at it, and hopefully I have an even edge all the way around. One shot, tops 2 swipes. I don't even like going at doing 2 because this takes off a lot of material. But this is a higher grit sandpaper, so this is like around 1200, 1300. All right, here we go. Very good. One swipe, that's all I took. See that? Now I'm going to do the other side. Alright, now this side. Look at that side. I believe it's good too. Alright. Oh yeah, beautiful. And you can see that burr up top. See that? That's all you want. 2 swipes. You don't eliminate nothing really. All there. That's it. She should be a lot better than what she was. As you can see, nice and straight edge. And we didn't have to take on a lot of meat back here. See those grime marks? Left that alone. Now it's always nice to go back into a wet stone. I like doing it that route, and then coming onto here. You can see. Nice clean cuts, but she's not razor sharp, and it's an electrician's knife. You don't want it to be razor sharp. Razor sharp is on these things here, strippers, so you can get away with that. It cuts, that's all you need. No hang-ups, as you saw. Let's do it one more time before I end this video. I gotta go out there and cut the grass. As you see, watch. Nothing. Yeah, so all the chips were here in the front, right? See? Fixed. Thanks for watching. Guys and gals, have a good one.